Hey guys, welcome to this episode of J Chronicles. So in this video, we'll be talking about few stocks. As per me, they are underrated stocks as of now, and there is huge correction going on the market. So this is a perfect time to buy these stocks. So due to Russia-Ukraine problem, there is a bloodbath happening in the market. Like the market went down nearly 3% on a single day. The Nifty fell 3%, and stocks which I'll be talking now are deeply in red now. So it's best time to buy. And another caution that these are not recommendation. These are just from my perspective. It's up to you. You must do your own research and you must understand the business model, and then you could start investing. So let's see about the first stock. The first stock is Manapuram Finance Limited. So I guess it would be familiar with you that Manapuram Finance, Muthoot Finance are just finance companies who give money for renting gold. They give loans to people. So this company is pretty much familiar to you guys, I hope. So Manapuram Finance is now traded at 114. I'm recording it on 25th February. 24th was the day when Russia invaded Ukraine and a great depression in the market happened. But no worries, the stock is treated below average for past 1 or 2 months. So it's surely best time to buy. We couldn't time the market exactly. Even now the market is down and people predict it would go even further down. So be ready. Purchase the stocks like uh, then and then, not at a single take. Then and then have a look at the market, and purchasing is the best option recommended by the experts, and even I am following that way. So Manapuram Finance, let's just have a look at this overall thing. So the market cap is 9,657 crores, and current price it's traded is at 114, and then the highest is 224 which it have attained, and the lowest it would have went is 109. I guess it was yesterday during the depression. So and then that's pretty much good, right? It's still in the same, it's traded in the same value. So and the dividend yield is among almost 2%, and the book value is 94, and the stock P is 6.30. This shows you how underrated the stock is. For example, let me show you guys the sector PE. So I have come to money control to just check the sector PE. So the sector PE is 48.549%. That is the average PE ratio for the financing sector. And then comes Manapuram's, which is just 6.26%. It is highly underrated now, and it's the best time to buy. Warren Buffett usually says that buying a stock which is underrated now is more preferable than buying a stock which has already been pacing out. So this is what Warren Buffett says. So it's always better to buy when the stock is in its low treated stage. That is when it's underrated. So I prefer Manapuram, but it's up to you to choose it or not. Do your own research, understand the business, and then invest. So this is the complete chart. There's nothing pretty much to do with the chart, I guess. Go down. And here comes pros and cons given by screener and other experts. So there's no con actually. That's little surprising when we see that for a stock. Probably this is the first time I am seeing an empty cons column for a stock in screener.com. So here pros, company has delivered a good profit growth of 37% CAGR over 5 years, and company is giving good ROE, return on equity, for past 3 years. So here are peer comparison. So Manapuram stands in 8th, but there's nothing to do with that because this is like segregated using few ROC and price rate. So there is nothing to do with this. Just believe in the business and forget the money. So these are the quarterly results. You could check the quarterly results for every year. The quarterly results are available for past 2 years, And here comes the total views, profit and loss. So this is important, we must analyze this. So here first comes revenue. They have started in March 2006. They started with 20 crores, 20 crores revenue. Then it went to 44 crores, 80 crores in 2008, 165 crores in 2009. So look at the growth from 2009 to 2014. It's 165 to 2100. So that's great development which happened in that place. And then it came back a few hundreds crore less, and then it went back again 2369, 3000, 34, 4180, and in 2020 it has given 5465, and then in 2021 it's given 6331, and in 2022 it will continue to give great results. So it's the balance sheet is absolutely good. It's perfectly all right to invest as per the technical terms. Just knowing about the business is spending, that I prefer you guys must do that. So and then here comes the interest and the expenses which are being. So let's come here. The net profit is profit before tax, and after the tax is given and all the expenses are tracked, the net profit comes. Net profit is also been increasing for the past years. There's no looking back, it's just going up. That's great. And then the dividend payout is also very impressive. Now they are giving like 2 to 2.5, but in screener it's showing 1.98, but I guess it is around 2 to 2.2. So the dividend is also very impressive. And here you could see compounded profit growth for 5 years, it's 37%. So that's very impressive. The ROE is very impressive. And here is the remaining views of balance sheet. You could have been seeing their borrowings. So this is a debt company, but that's okay. Every company have debt because they need to improve, they need to scale their business. So total liabilities, but leave all these. Let's come to the sum total asset. So total asset is also been improving, and it's now currently at 34,278 crores. The cash flow is also pretty much impressive. There had been up downs, but the total is good. And here comes ROE I've talked already. And then the shareholding pattern, currently promoters are holding a lot, and surprisingly FIIs are holding 34% of the stock. This is really great because FIIs love investing in finance companies. In such a way, FIIs are invested more compared to domestic institutional investors. So FIIs are foreign institutional investors and DIIs are domestic institutional investor. And then comes public, the retails. So this is the just sort of a sort of fundamental analysis, but there are even plenty pending. You must understand the business, how they treat their people who are working under their company, because that even matters. And there are plenty much to do, but I leave that with you. This is just from my part. This stock I consider is best to buy now. There is another stock in this sector, Muthoot Finance, is also underrated as of now, but the rate at which it's traded is slightly higher. I guess it's like more than 1,200, 300 somewhere. I don't remember properly. So even that is better choice now, but I prefer Manapuram Finance from my side. You could buy it now. This is the one stock which we have talked about today, and I'll suggest 2 to 3 more stocks in the upcoming videos. I'll try to upload these series of recommendations alone continuously rather than uploading one in a week. Sorry for not uploading video previous week because I was on a vacation, so I wasn't able to upload a week last week. Other videos will be coming soon, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like and share it with your friends.